This is part 8 of our 9-part introductory video series for bone health. If you haven't already watched part 1, please do so first. I am part of the team that assesses and manages bone health. The most common condition that affects bone health is called osteoporosis. All bones of the body have an increased risk of breaking when you have osteoporosis, but you may have been informed that you have a break in one or more than one of your backbones. The healthcare professional that has identified this from an image such as an X-ray or a scan may have used different words when they informed you. If you have been told that you have a squash, compression or fracture of your backbone, vertebrae or spine, this all means the same thing, a spinal fracture. Spinal fractures are commonly contributed by the condition of osteoporosis. It may be that you have been offered a further scan, blood test or an X-ray investigation to assist in looking for osteoporosis. I am sorry if you or someone you care for are in a lot of pain with the spinal fracture. You should inform the healthcare professional that identified it or your GP, as they may be able to take steps to help you with this. Medication for osteoporosis do not work to reduce the current pain, only to reduce the risk of pain from a further fracture. It is important your healthcare professional assesses your risk of further fractures, as it is most likely you'll benefit from bone strengthening medication. The risk of a further spinal fracture is the greatest in the first 12 months after the initial one has been identified. The Royal Osteoporosis Society film, Understanding a Spinal Fracture, is a comprehensive video that will explain what a spinal fracture is and how you might feel with a spinal fracture, which can be very variable from person to person. There are other films also found on the same web page as the recommended Understanding Spinal Fractures, with further details of living with spinal fractures that you may find useful. The additional videos are only available in English. So please proceed, if you want to know more, to the Royal Osteoporosis Society film, Understanding Spinal Fractures.